this video you will learn how to create a progress bar. So now you can change, see number progress bar is updating at the bottom. So you can also apply. So what I do here, first you need to change the font from any to fabric, and after that you need to apply Countif function and count a. So now you can drag this formula to, and later you need to apply the sumif function where you need to count greater than 0 and divide total number into total activity. So you can see here, and now after that you need to go into the data bar, no rules. Now you need to apply number 0, number till 1, and you need gradient. You can see the progress bar is changing now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe this channel.